Every day, headlines scream about war and division. But there's one word that appears over 140 times in Islam's holy book. No, it's not war or struggle. It's peace. But here's what might surprise you. The Islamic concept of peace isn't just about silence or stillness. It's deep, multidimensional, and rooted in every part of Muslim life. What if everything you thought you knew about peace was only the beginning? Say the word Islam, and you might get two very different reactions. Some think of peace, the greeting Assalamu alaikum. Others think of violence, shaped by years of skewed headlines and stereotypes. But here's something crucial. The word Islam itself comes from the same Arabic root as salam, peace. This isn't just linguistic coincidence, it's central to the entire faith. Peace in Islam isn't merely the absence of war. It's a spiritual, personal, social, and even environmental principle designed to guide every human being toward harmony. Peace begins with God. In Islam, the foundation of all peace is a harmonious relationship with the Creator, Allah. This isn't about blind obedience. In fact, the word Islam can be interpreted as willing submission, a conscious surrender to divine wisdom, not through compulsion, but through recognition and love. It's like a river flowing toward the ocean. When you stop resisting, you begin to flow with your true nature. The Qur'an says, "Truly in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find rest." This is the peace of the soul, the kind that anchors you even in chaos. But divine peace isn't enough unless it transforms your inner world. Islam teaches that jihad an-nafs, the struggle against the self, is the greatest jihad. This isn't about violence. It's about confronting your ego, your envy, your anger, your fears. The Prophet Muhammad said the strong one is not the one who overpowers others in battle, but the one who controls themselves in moments of anger. True inner peace means choosing what is right, even when it's hard. The Quran reminds us, Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is within themselves. But Islam's vision of peace isn't limited to the self. It's deeply social. When Prophet Muhammad established the first Muslim community in Medina, he didn't create a theocracy. He built a pluralistic society. The Constitution of Medina was a historic agreement, granting mutual rights and protection to Muslims, Jews, and pagans alike. It was one of the first written commitments to religious freedom. And in the Quran, the value of life is crystal clear. Whoever kills a person, unless for murder or corruption on earth, it is as if he has slain all humanity. And whoever saves one life, it is as if he has saved all of humanity. Peace isn't passive. It's justice, mercy, and compassion in action. Islam promotes reconciliation, excellence in behavior, and wisdom. Even places of worship of other faiths are to be protected. The Quran says, "Had Allah not repelled some people by means of others, monasteries, churches, synagogues, and mosques would surely have been destroyed." And peace in Islam doesn't stop with humans. It extends to all of creation. Humans are seen as stewards of the earth. The Prophet said, "If the day of judgment comes and you have a seedling in your hand, plant it." Even at the end of time, life and responsibility matter. Islamic teachings warn against waste, pollution, and cruelty to animals. To abuse the environment is to betray a trust from God. So what is the Islamic concept of peace? It's peace with God, peace within yourself, peace with others, and peace with the earth. When these four align, you become what the Quran calls a peacemaker. Your presence calms storms. Your words heal. Your actions build bridges. This is why the greeting in Islam isn't just hi. It's Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. In a divided world, Islam doesn't just offer hope, it offers a roadmap, a path of purpose, a peace that begins within and extends to everything around us. What part of this peace speaks to you the most? Let us know in the comments. And if this message resonated with you, don't forget to subscribe.